So another truck show, and everyone's getting ready to leave, but as usual, there's a bit of chaos at the moment. So the whole truck show is about trucks and trucks and tractors, but at the moment I don't know in which direction they're going, but so there are a lot of people at the moment, truckers and all the other we're seeing how they're going to organize this at the moment. There's a lot of chaos at the moment. Loving it. So trucks are very classic, but these are not for show, these are for so a lot of people are fun. So everyone is in the truck now, and it's just, oh, that's a Spider-Man truck. So all the families and friends are gathered here. There is an expo in the local region here, and a lot of every time they have a show, they encourage truckers to show up and basically support the local community. So what you see is basically a lot of alright. Please.
En eso no se está bien.
¿De qué?
En tu foto está bien.
Ajá.
Ya me dijo, me ha seguido ese para apenas como. Es que sigue un 30, ¿no es? En un segundo.
Te escucho mal.
Ya seguido 30 personas ya.
Ah, qué bueno. ¿Ya?
Papá, ¿cómo quedamos todos?
Ah.
Tenga cuidado, esta muchacha roba cámaras. A este que le importa. Ah.
Oh. No mete la mano porque
perdón.
Lo detecta. Así.
¿Dónde lo sube usted? ¿Qué te paga?
Facebook. Se llama.
¿La página?
Sí, se llama Team Trocadero.
Solo dale 5 puntas, no cabemos todos. Ahora va a que mira para aparte.
¿Te puedo tomar una foto?
Sí.
Me calcula.
Gracias.
how you make friends. That's a little kid. So a lot of people here, very noisy. So more trucks. Truck. Zeus is here in the house. A lot of I don't know, well, American trucks, of course, but some freight liners. So this one says it's got TV, AC, Wi-Fi, sleeping, and everything. Only men, caballeros. That's good. All right, so now let's go and see if we can get pictures of the. I was expecting more tractors. I don't know where they are, but. I'm sure the tractors are here somewhere. All right, so you have young kids coming to enjoy the show as well. Oh, that's loud. All right, so and now you have these. What's it called? Like military, old military trucks. So, all right. So that's interesting. More trucks here at the back. And let's see what else. Sí, sí.
¿Dónde?
En Facebook, bueno, hay uno.
Ajá.
Sí, la otra, bueno. La otra está ahí. Entonces, bueno, ahí juntos con todo el camión.
¿Y cómo sale?
Sale en Team Trocadero. Como, espérese, se lo voy a enseñar para que...
Para estar al tanto de una vez.
Team
Trocadero.
Sí.
Listo.
Ok.
Gracias.
So, a lot of families here. I mean, if your father has a truck, why not? Why not come and have fun here instead of what else are you going to do on a Sunday? So you have cattle trucks like this Volvo, and then yeah, and then what else you have at the back here? This is supposed to be trucks. Well, oh, interesting, like military trucks. Let's take a picture of those. So I'm expecting to see, well, I expect to see tractors, but I'm not seeing tractors. I don't know why. So, just curious to see what happens here. So you have the big rigs, semis, and then like your normal trucks. These are mostly articulated semi trucks with so a lot of people now. The chaos has been organized, so it's a bit much better now. So a lot of the trucks here, I think they come for there's a local festival in town, and most of the people here are probably not from this local area, but it's a good opportunity to come and enjoy the atmosphere here, and also participate in the local festival for, I think, cattle and I don't know, horses and things like that. Those are the type of things you have here. For me, of all the trucks here, I would consider this to be one of the best. It's really nice. Some of the kids here are in their father's truck, and they're basically losing their minds because I think probably this is the only time they're allowed to go crazy, and they're really making the most of it. So some people are still cleaning up their trucks, making it look all nice and pretty, because then there's going to be I think a parade here. I don't know where they'll be going, because at the moment they just sort of arriving. Well, they've arrived, but like anything here, it's like everything here, you need to like take it with a bit of a grain of salt. When they say, "Oh, it's midday," you come here midday. Well, there's nobody here, so you need to wait basically until they decide. Well, it's time to leave. Anyway, so you have the motorbikes also joining. It's a lot of fun, I suppose. So, time to eat. And there is something, they said there is this chicken. I don't know how much that is, but the whole town is out for the truck show. So everyone is having a good time, lined up for the so everyone is here, and all the truckers are lining up, well, going to the parking, and everyone's wondering what he's doing, but he seems to be enjoying himself, so all good. More trucks on the way. So the parade is almost over, so it gives people now the opportunity to come and take pictures with the trucks. So the trucks are now parked here. So now there's something called the reception, where all the truck drivers would go and have something to eat, and then put on some salsa, some nice music, and then people would just cut loose of it, you know. So it is absolutely amazing. I wasn't expecting there to be this many truck drivers at the event today, but just as well, a lot of them turned up, so it create, and then the people also were available. They came to enjoy the atmosphere, so all good. Anyway, see you next time.